Hello, today I'm going to teach you how to crochet a corner to corner washcloth. You need a 5mm hook and a worsted weight yarn. To start, begin with a slip knot and chain 2. After chaining 2, you're going to go in the second chain from the hook and make 2 single crochet in that same stitch. Chain 1 and turn your work. After turning your work, you're going to begin in that first stitch in the back loop only. For this entire project, you're going to be working into the back loop. Make 2 single crochets in the back loop of the first stitch, and then in the second stitch, make 2 single crochets in the back loop of the second stitch. After you're done there, chain 1 and turn your work. And in the first and last stitches, you're always going to make 2 single crochets in the first and last stitches. And remember to always work into the back loops. And those stitches in between, you're just going to do 1 single crochet in the back loop. So the first and last stitch increase, and the middle stitches just put 1 single crochet. And you're going to do that till you have 30 stitches on your project. Before we get too far into the tutorial, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so I know you like content like this. Alright, so I did not do 30 stitches just to save time for the tutorial, but now I'm going to show you how to decrease to make your next corners. Chain 1, turn your work, and in the first stitch you're going to make a single crochet 2 together, and in those middle stitches you're just going to make 1 single crochet like you've been, and in over the last 2 stitches you're going to do another single crochet 2 together. So the first 2 stitches need to be decreases, and then all the middle stitches are just a single crochet, and you're still going to work into the back loop. Alright, so I have 2 stitches left, and you're just going to do a single crochet 2 together over those last 2 stitches, and that's it. And then you will cut your yarn and fasten off, and I will show you how to do a border around your project. Okay, to do the border, you're going to chain 1 and get started, and you're just going to do 1 single crochet along the sides and 3 in the corners. Just repeat that all the way around till you get back to where you started. So after you finish single crocheting your border, you're just going to slip stitch to the first stitch you started with, and then I'm going to leave a nice long tail on mine so that I can make a handle. If you want to make a handle, after you fasten off, you're going to turn your work and slip stitch into the closest stitch to your fasten off, to where you fastened off. Then you're going to chain 4. Then you're going to slip stitch back down to your project, and that's how you make your handle. Fasten back off with your yarn, and your project is finished. I hope this tutorial was fun, easy, and educational, and I'll see you next time.